Jean-Claude Van Damme en Pescar o Mentir, con Mirtha Legrand, Jeremy Way.
Oh shit. Let's see what this boy looks like. We're about to see him.